How to use the math module. Programs where you have to do mathematical operations. You can use Python's built-in module that is specifically for this purpose, and it is called the math module. I'll demonstrate how the module can be used in a code. So for that, you have to first import the module, writing the statement import math. Now we take the variable a is equal to int input, enter an integer, now we can find the square root of whatever value they have entered by writing math dot sqrt, square root of whatever the variable or value. Now I'll run this code, and when the user enters the integer 100, it will give the square root 10.0. It returns a value in float point numbers. Now if I want to raise a number to a specific power, that is exponential power, so that could be anything like 5 raised to 5 or 125 raised to 2 or something like that, then all we need to do is we can use the power function of math, and we can write a raised to the power of b is math dot pow power, and then I write in the brackets I'll write the values a comma b. A is the base value and b is the exponential value. So now when I run this code, I can enter the integer 4 and I can enter the power 2. This is just for rectification. You can do how much also big number you want to do, and you can raise it to how much also power. And then here I have written 4 raised to 2 and it has given me the value 16. Now for the next application, we'll go towards the geometry side, and suppose I ask the user to write the degree radians of an angle, and now if I want to find the sine, cos and tan of that angle, so I will write sine of A is math dot sine A. Similarly, I'll do for cos and tan. So you can see the final like that all the functions look. And now we can just run this code and enter the degree 45, and you'll get the value 0.85, 0.525, etc. Now next is to convert this now since we're on the topic of degrees and radians, let's convert degrees into radians by using math dot radians, and whatever the variable is, you enter into the brackets, and I write radians is math dot radians. Now when I run this, I'll enter the angle in degrees. So I suppose I enter 180, the radians is 3.14, and so on. So these are some of the basic functions in math module. It can be used for a lot of things, and as it is specifically for math, you can use it for many operations. You can use it for many operations. You can use it for a lot more things wherever math is involved, and wherever you have to quickly get suppose a square root or the tan or whatever of any this in a program. Just remember, use math module.